Hello again to another video. This is me, Silas, and today I want to show you a nice little application that is called Junction. So what is Junction? Let's look at their website and let's have a little read. Junction Application Chooser. Junction lets you choose the application to open files and links. After installing, make sure to launch the application. Junction will pop up automatically when you open a link in a desktop application. Use the mouse or keyboard navigation to choose the application to open the link or file with. Features: choose the application to open with, show the location before opening, edit the URL before opening, show a hint for insecure links, keyboard navigation and middle click to open in multiple applications. I've already installed it. It's you can get it in all of your software shop things. I've got it in the Pop Shop because I'm using the Pop OS. So you can hop into, I don't know, GNOME Software Center, whatever you use, type in Junction and then get it right there. And then you have to open it once to, I guess, to essentially set it up. So this is it. This is all you get. It's pretty easy. It's pretty cool. It has one single button which says Set Junction as default for web. So you press that and then it sets the default for web stuff. Test Junction, so they have a little demo built in actually. This is a link which says Test Junction. You can imagine this like if you get this in a, I don't know, a text message on like Discord or something, or you see a link as text like this and it will say, oh, click here to visit our shop or something. And when you click it, now it will open this, which is a little menu, which is pretty cool. It will show you different programs that you have here. You can also click on view all, and then you'll get even more programs. And then, depending on which ones you use to open stuff with, it will populate this list automatically. And also, right there, it shows you the link that you're going to see, and you can also edit it right here. So if you're like, oh, there's some weird shit behind this URL. I just want to see what the base website is. You do that, and then you can open it. Demo. Open it with a Firefox. Yeah, this is the demo site. Well, not the demo site. It's just literally just their GitHub page. Usage. It has other uses too. You can run these commands as default. Set it as default for all programs, which that's not good, I think. Set Junction as default for PNG. Set Junction as default email. Set Junction as default folder opener. You can do a few things with this. Yeah, so what I've done, I've put it as set default for PNG and I think for email too. So now if we go into, there we go, and I go into pictures and we open the Fedora logo, it will show this, which I think is really cool because now you can select exactly which program you want to open stuff with. So I mean, you could have done that before, but I think this is just actually easier. So you can choose, like, LibreOffice Draw, or Image Viewer, or like, I don't know, GIMP, or whatever other things you have installed. I think it is pretty cool. Then you just do this, and there you go, it's opened. That's basically it. I think this would be very useful. I think this would be mostly useful for web links, because some websites, at least like in some web apps, like the tool that I use for my podcast, the remote recording tool that we use, that only works on Chromium browsers. So whenever you get a link of that, or you want to enter a room via a link, it will open it in Firefox because that's my normal browser, but it has to be opened in Chrome, so that's pretty stupid. But with this, you just click the link and then there you go, oh, press Chromium. And I think that's actually cool. Doing this for other programs or other file types, I should say, maybe wouldn't make a lot of sense, depending on the file type and depending on what you do. If you always work with images and doing right click, open with, and then this, I think this is more work than just double clicking this and then pressing enter, or pressing right and enter on your keyboard. Yeah. I also really like the fact that it does let you enter different URL here, just so you know that nothing weird is gonna happen, so you can like actually see what's going on. Yeah, I like it. I like this app. You can close this after you're done, and it's fine. It's gonna stay working. Yeah, I just wanted to show you this little piece of information, or little piece of software, which I think is cool, and it looks nice, and it's lovely if you want to use it. It's called Junction. You can install it or not. I'm just showing you some apps that I think are cool for Linux. Have a good rest of your day. Goodbye.